Krispy Kreme. I bought these this morning and they were warm in the box. Then we crown them. What do you think? You think that's gonna taste good? Krispy Kreme donut, Krispy Kreme burger, cheeseburger. Just wanna say thank you to Kuma Knives for sending me a Damascus Japanese knife. I've been using it and I do highly recommend it. Very sharp knife, guys. Let's go ahead and get started with this Krispy Kreme cheeseburger, as you guys seen in the intro of the video. So what I have here is just a tri-tip, guys. I was looking for chuck roast, it just didn't have it, but tri-tip will work as well. So gonna take this bad boy out, and this guy weighs 2.5 pounds. You guys are wondering. I'm gonna leave the fat cap on, and the only thing I'm gonna do is just chop it up into smaller pieces because we're gonna put this through the grinder. Pretty simple. All right, guys, I'm in this collab. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the hashtag, which is Wild and Wacky 23. This is hosted by Southern Roots by Sherry and along with Shannon. So make sure you guys check everybody's videos out once you're finished with mine. Right here. Also, because the tri-tip doesn't have enough fat, I do got a pound of bacon. And I plan to put the whole entire thing. We're gonna grind this bad boy as well, just to make up the fat content. This is going to add some richness to the burger, a little bit more fatty. Put this together. All right, this is nice and ground up. This is what I'm looking for right here. At this point, you really don't want to overwork your ground beef. Just looking at it, it looks like a good ratio on fat and beef. If I would have to guess, it'd be close to the 20/80. Just by looking at it, it's gonna be a very juicy burger, that's for sure. All right, let's form up these patties. The way this device works, it has a screw right here. All you do is move it back and forth to adjust your thickness of your burger. You just gotta play with it a little bit to understand how it works. But pretty straightforward, guys. All right, guys, I like 4-ounce patties. You can make them whatever ounces you guys like. 4 ounces works for me. And I'll just get it, try to form it. I'm not trying to work it too much. Put it on a piece of parchment paper. I kind of get it started. And then just push down right here. It does have a screw right here, so you can mount this if you wanted to. If you're planning to make, you know, hundreds and thousands of burgers. So just push down gently. A second or two, that's it. Pretty simple. Nice burger. Check it out. Beautiful. Prep these ahead of time, because honestly, guys, you don't know what you're getting at the store. They can call it ground chuck all they want. Doesn't mean it's actually ground chuck. It can be all the leftover pieces from different cuts of beef, and they just call it ground beef. So here we know exactly what we're getting, because we put tri-tip and we also put a pound of bacon. So this is gonna be a 5 ounce, only because I don't have enough to make 2 4-ounce burgers. So because this is a 5 ounce, this is what I want to do. Like I said, there's a little screw right here. Just back it up and then make the burger thicker. So go ahead and push it down. It's pretty good. We get 8 burgers. Not too bad, guys. All right, this is what I'm using from PS Seasonings. This is the best, SPG. And we're gonna go ahead and just sprinkle some on the burger. Just like this. Just right on top, guys. Super easy. Season the other side. Reading at 166, 167. That's what I like them at. Go ahead and add your American cheese. Put whatever cheese you guys like. I always like double the cheese on mine. Krispy Kreme. I bought these this morning and they were warm in the box. So let's check them out. Then we crown it. What do you think? You think that's gonna taste good? Krispy Kreme donut, Krispy Kreme burger, cheeseburger. You think that really is gonna work? You think it's gonna taste good? I usually like mustard, mayo, lettuce, tomato, onion. This, I mean, I want to put all that, but it's kind of weird. But I'm gonna just go off with that. We'll see what we'll see what happens. Krispy Kreme cheeseburger. From 1 to 10, I'm gonna rate this a solid 3. It's just not my thing, guys. Now this patty, no lie, guys. From 1 to 10, it's a 10. That bacon that we added, freaking outstanding, guys. You see that juice? Oh, I really don't want to squeeze the meat. I'm just trying to show you guys how juicy this patty is. Freaking patty was amazing. Fantastic, guys. Gracias. I will catch you guys next Friday. This video was crazy. Wacky and wild. Hashtag. Make sure you guys go check out the rest of the videos that pop up under that hashtag.